Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes how to reset Microsoft Word to default settings in Windows. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey current user, click and expand software, click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Office, click and expand Microsoft Vergio in number. Delete Word key. Close and exit Registry Editor. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.